You are watching IPT News, a link between media, communicator, and the viewer.
Hyderabad records to the highest rainfall ever in past 24 hours. Let's look at the various areas affected in the city. GHMC Disaster Response Force and rescue boat teams had to be sent in Nadeem Colony. Despite of heavy rains in city, GHMC's DRF monsoon emergency team, including one boat team, geared up for rescue and relief operation in Nadeem Colony area and across Karwan constituency. At Rachakonta, it was observed that the Rachakonta police helped the emergency patient of Global Aware Hospital, where 4 patients on ventilator were in the hospital had to be shifted by the help of police due to water-logging issues in Global Hospital at Lakdi Ka Pool. Traffic police is facilitated in quick movement. At Shamshabad, under construction bridge near the airport was completely damaged due to heavy rain and it resulted in long hours of traffic jam. In these course of unfortunate events, a family lost 9 members of their blood relation as they got drowned in water at Milar Devpalli area in Nawab Sahib Kunta. 2 bodies were found while 6 are still missing. While the men in uniform and various other departments of government are committed in helping the sufferers, IPT pays condolences to the families who lost their dear ones and is hoping to see a bright sunny day soon.
Thank you for watching IPT News.